Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for corgis that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Diamond Naturals Small Breed Puppy Real Chicken Recipe High Protein Dry Dog Food. Diamond Naturals has created this puppy formula that's specifically meant for small breed dogs, just like your corgi. It has great amounts of protein made from real, cage-free chicken, making it perfect for your little one, who has a lot of growing to do. This food contains a lot of superfoods that imbue your pet's diet with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are all essential to helping your puppy grow up big and strong. A unique blend of omega fatty acids helps to promote good skin and coat health. DHA present in the fatty acids also helps with cognitive and retinal development, so your puppy's mind and eyes grow to be bright and sharp. Smaller sized kibble makes it easy for your puppy to pick up and chew. There is no corn, wheat, or other fillers in this product. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Puppy Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo is known for making great dog food that satisfies your dog's nutritional requirements, and this formula is no exception. It's specifically tailored for your growing puppy, helping them develop strong bones and vital organs. It contains real meat for a good punch of protein. Plus, it also contains wholesome grains for extra energy and fruits and veggies for all the nutrients your corgi pups need. Calcium and phosphorus make it easy for your dog to grow healthy teeth and bones. Bone health is especially important in corgis, as they have stubby legs that must support the weight of their larger bodies. Puppy-sized kibble helps your dog properly chew their food for better digestion. This also helps prevent plaque and tartar buildup. It also features DHA and ARA for good brain and eye development. You'll also be glad to know that this formula does not contain corn, wheat, or soy. At number 3, we have the Canady Pure Petite Premium Freeze-Dried Raw Coated Puppy Food. Canady puts a specialized focus on your corgi puppy's nutrition. This formula contains only 8 key ingredients, and they make sure those ingredients are ones you can easily recognize. This way, you're assured that your puppy is eating food that is full of ingredients you can trust. This formula contains no grain, making it great for puppies who might be prone to stomach sensitivities. This particular flavor uses real salmon as its first ingredient. This is a terrific source of not only protein, but also omega fatty acids. These fatty acids play key roles in your dog's eye and brain development, and also provide healthy skin and a shiny coat. Since this food is made specifically for small breed dogs like your corgi, you know that you are supplying them with the nutrients they need to grow to their appropriate size. The kibble is small-sized for easy eating and digestion. Probiotics further support this digestion, and antioxidants contribute greatly to immune system health. At number 2, we have the Wellness Core Puppy Dry Dog Food. Wellness gives your corgi premium protein plus nutrients from delicious superfoods like parsley, kale, and blueberries. Made with your small breed dog in mind, this food supplies just the right amount of nourishment in the form of small kibble pieces that are easy to chew and digest. Glucosamine helps build strong corgi joints, while probiotics keep the tummy happy. Wellness has included taurine in this formula, making it good for heart and eye health as well. This diet is well balanced and contains everything your corgi needs to thrive throughout puppyhood. And finally, at number 1, we have the Merrick grain-free dry dog food recipes. Merrick provides your adult corgi with a deeply delicious flavor that even the pickiest dogs are sure to love. Good amounts of protein help maintain strong muscles and fuel the body with all the energy needed to work and play. This is further fortified with whole foods like apples, blueberries, and sweet potatoes, all excellent sources of nutrients to nourish your little buddy. Your Corgi also requires extra help with their bones and joints in their adulthood, so this recipe also contains glucosamine and chondroitin. This formula contains no fillers, corn, wheat, soy, or gluten, making it good for sensitive tummies. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.